Howdy, it's Michelle, and this is Paper Maps. We all love to travel, but sometimes we have to travel for work, to a conference or convention. And here are 10 or more tips on what you can do to make your conference or convention the best it can be. Number 1, you want to wear comfortable shoes. Even if your outfit is like super on trend, the feet need to be taken care of. Tennis shoes or something like that. So today I'm actually wearing boots, but these boots are Birkenstock boots. So they are super comfortable and easy to walk in. One of my favorite tricks when you're at a conference is stretching on the escalator. You may have seen my video about plantar fasciitis. I'll have a link to it before, but walking so much in these convention centers can be really tough on your feet. Putting your feet over the edge and dropping the heels for a calf stretch, and then bending your knees for a deeper shin stretch as well. Number 3, on your schedule. This is my schedule. This is a huge conference that I'm at. You want to be flexible in your schedule because you might show up to a class and it's going to be full and you're not going to be able to get in, or you're not going to be able to find it, or something might happen. So being flexible and having 2 or 3 options is a really good thing. So yeah, just be flexible. And number 4 is very similar. If there's really a class that you have to have, then don't have a class the hour before that, so you can get a line, get in the room, and make sure that you get a spot. Next, you're going to want a light bag where you can carry all of your stuff. This one is a messenger bag because you want to be able to distribute the weight. You don't want it all just hanging on your arm or over one shoulder where you're leaning sideways. So I like either a messenger bag that's going to cross my body or a backpack to distribute the weight. And inside here, this compartment, I'm keeping my tripod and my camera that I'm filming with right now. This one has like my sunglasses and my power bank. We'll get to that in a minute. And this pocket has my iPad, and then this pocket has like my money and the key to my room and everything. Another tip is to always keep a snack in your bag, like a granola bar or something like that, a protein bar, because you never know when your classes are going to overlap and you're going to end up missing lunch. So I'm at a tech conference, and at a tech conference, most people will have their technology for taking notes. If it is a hands-on workshop where you know you need your laptop, then bring your laptop. If not, skip the heavy laptop, especially if yours is really heavy like mine is, and just bring like your iPad with some kind of note thing that you can take notes on. I love taking notes on my iPad. It's an older iPad, but it works great for taking notes. Or if you like taking notes with paper, you can do that, but nobody does that here at a tech conference. Connected to my bag, you will see my collapsible water bottle. It is always a good thing to bring a water bottle so you can have some water to drink. There's always water bottle filling stations, and I have to say that I wanted a soda, so I went to the vending machine. It cost me $3.85 to get a soda, and so definitely if you forget your water bottle and you have to buy a water bottle while you're here, then refill it once you're here. Bring a power bank so that you can plug in your phone or your iPad or whatever device you have while you're in class, because you know there's 100 people in that class and there's only like 4 outlets in the room. So if you have your power bank, you won't be without power. Don't be afraid to take a break occasionally. I actually really struggle with this one. I think, my company, my business, whatever, is paying for me to go to this conference. There's 8 hours in a work day. I should get at least 8 hours of credit for each day. So I should take 8 classes or something. And honestly, especially if you're here for more than one day, that is just way too much. You're going to get so burned out. You're going to stop listening. You're going to stop understanding what you're hearing in the different workshops and conferences. So better to take a break every once in a while and recharge so that you can learn a little bit more. Heard a saying a long time ago that the mind can only remember what the seat can endure. If you like this video, please give it a like, subscribe, and remember to really explore, you gotta use paper maps.